Welcome to Sam Podcast.
Enjoy listening to English every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 3 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about business plans this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today's topic is something many people love, tea. But we're not just talking about drinking tea. We're talking about how to write a business plan for a tea shop. And joining me today is a wonderful guest who has worked as a small business consultant for many food and beverage startups. Please welcome Ms. Emily Chen.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I'm really happy to be here.
It's great to have you here, Emily. I must say, this topic makes me want a cup of tea already.
Me too. Talking about tea always makes people thirsty.
But before we drink tea, we have to talk about business plans.
Exactly.
Now, Emily, I want to start with something controversial.
Oh, that sounds dangerous already.
I believe many tea shops succeed without writing a business plan.
Oh no, Mr. Sam. We are starting with an argument already.
Yes, we are.
Well, I completely disagree.
Of course you do.
A business plan is extremely important, especially for a tea shop.
But tea shops are small businesses. Some people just rent a small space, buy tea leaves, and start selling.
That may work for a short time, but if someone wants a stable and profitable business, they need a plan.
All right, let's discuss that step by step. So imagine someone wants to open a tea shop.
Okay.
What is the first thing they should write in the business plan?
The first section is the executive summary.
Ah, yes, the famous executive summary.
It's basically a short overview of the entire tea shop idea.
But here's my problem with that.
What problem?
If it's just a summary, why write it first?
Good question.
Thank you.
Actually, many people write it last after completing the business plan.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Yes, the executive summary should explain the tea shop concept, the target customers, the location, the financial goals.
So basically a snapshot of the entire business.
Exactly.
Now here's where things get interesting.
Why?
Because tea shops can be very different.
That's true.
Some are traditional tea houses.
Yes,
Some sell bubble tea.
exactly.
And some are modern cafes.
Right.
So how should a business plan describe the concept?
The owner must clearly explain the type of tea shop.
Give us some examples.
Sure, a tea shop could focus on traditional herbal tea, premium imported tea, bubble tea and milk tea, organic health tea. Each concept attracts different customers.
Let me challenge you there.
Go ahead.
Why not sell all kinds of tea?
Because trying to sell everything can confuse customers.
Really?
Yes, a strong business plan usually focuses on a clear niche.
So specialization is important.
Very important.
All right. Next section, market research.
Yes, one of the most important parts.
I agree this time.
Oh wow, progress.
Don't get used to it.
Market research answers three major questions.
Which are?
Who are the customers? Who are the competitors? And what trends exist in the tea market?
Let's talk about customers.
Tea shop customers can include students, office workers, tourists, and health-conscious people.
And maybe people who just want a quiet place to relax.
Exactly.
Now about competitors.
Yes.
Suppose there are already 5 tea shops in the area.
Then the business plan must explain how this new tea shop will be different.
Maybe better tea quality.
Yes,
Or a better environment.
exactly.
Or maybe free Wi-Fi.
That always attracts customers.
Now we arrive at my favorite section.
The menu?
Exactly.
A tea shop business plan should list the main drinks.
Such as...
Green tea, black tea, oolong tea, herbal tea, milk tea, bubble tea.
That's already a long list.
And some shops also sell snacks.
Like cookies or cakes?
Yes.
But here's my argument again.
Oh boy.
Too many menu items can slow down service.
That's true.
So maybe the business plan should start with a simple menu.
I actually agree with that.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, I'm shocked. Let's talk about location.
Very important for tea shops.
Why?
because tea shops depend on foot traffic.
Meaning people walking nearby.
Yes,
So good locations include shopping areas, near universities, near offices.
exactly.
But those places are expensive.
That's the challenge.
So the business plan must calculate rent costs.
Correct.
Now marketing.
One of the most exciting sections.
Really?
Yes, because creativity matters.
Give us some marketing ideas.
Social media promotion, opening day discounts, loyalty cards, influencer reviews.
Influencers?
Yes, especially for bubble tea shops.
That makes sense.
People love sharing photos of colorful drinks.
Especially on social media.
Exactly.
Now let's discuss operations.
This section explains how the shop will run daily.
So things like staff.
Yes,
A small tea shop might need a cashier, a tea maker, a cleaner.
correct.
And the business plan should also describe suppliers.
Yes, where the tea leaves come from.
High quality tea is important.
Very important.
And finally, the financial plan.
The part many people fear.
Yes.
This section includes startup costs, monthly expenses, revenue projections, profit estimates.
Startup costs might include furniture, tea equipment, rent deposit, ingredients,
Exactly.
and tea machines can be expensive.
Especially bubble tea machines.
So the business plan must calculate everything carefully.
Yes.
Emily, this conversation changed my perspective.
Oh, really?
Yes, now I realize a tea shop requires serious planning.
Exactly.
A good business plan helps avoid mistakes.
And increases the chance of success.
Well, Emily, thank you for sharing your knowledge today.
Thank you for inviting me. It was a fun discussion.
And thank you to our listeners for joining us on the SAM podcast. Remember, everyone, every successful tea shop begins with a strong business plan.
And maybe a perfect cup of tea.
That too. See you next episode.